Hey guys, it's Melanie. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I DIY'd my phone case. I made this phone case recently and I was posting a lot of like random photos. Plus you guys see it a lot, Instagram stories and stuff when I post my outfits, by the way. Plug, follow me on Instagram. I got bunch of questions on where I got my phone case from, and I actually made it myself. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I made it. Since I didn't really want to make the same exact phone case again, since I already have it, if that makes sense, I just used the same technique and made 2 more phone cases. So basically, I'm just showing you guys like how I did it. It's really simple. I just painted it like I paint literally everything, but I just did a little like montage and I decided to do 2 more that are a little more like detailed. So yeah, I really like how these turned out. I hope that this little tutorial is informative and entertaining. I hope that you guys enjoy it. Basically, I just used acrylic paint that I got from like Joann's, whatever, and I used a sealant spray, the same one that I used on my hydro flask. If you haven't seen that video, you should go check it out. It's basically the same thing. I just used acrylic paint and the sealant spray to paint literally everything I own. If you guys want to see how I made these phone cases, then just keep watching, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. So that is it. It's really simple, and it can be as easy or difficult as you want it to be, and you can get as creative as you want. You can literally paint anything. I actually had a really hard time narrowing it down to like these 3 things because I literally want to make so many. So yeah, I also really like how I just did like a simple pattern. That way you can see my phone colors still, and then I can put little Polaroids in it and you can still kind of see them. That's kind of just like what I had in my mind, what I was going for. But you could paint the entire case if you want, or if you have an old case and you don't like the pattern, you could just paint over the entire thing. By the way, I got these cases on Etsy, I believe, for like $5 each. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and that it was helpful for you. If you guys decide to paint your own phone case, make sure to tag me on Instagram. That's where I'm like most active, because I would love to see it, and give it a like. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.